All right. You have a good night.
You right here?
Probably. Why? What's up?
I'll come back around. I don't have anywhere to go. So I'll come back around.
Okay. Good night. I was just someone who was here with me for a moment. And sweet. We're looking at changing Pacific Coast. A map posted by National Geographic. According to this, September 2016. Here it goes over the entire food web in the particular stages of ocean and marine life. It's a pretty big map, excuse me for the humans are part of the marine food web. Overfishing removes some species faster than they can reproduce, and dragging nets along the seafloor destroys habitats. But what's most important is the toxic algae bloom. What is that? So here they state openly that some types of algae grow rapidly in warm water, and they produce blooms that contain domoic acids, a powerful neurotoxin. When consumed by zooplankton, shellfish, and fish, the toxin can sicken or kill birds and mammals. And this is in the Pacific Ocean. Right on the right side, you see the edge of the United States, whereas Washington, California, and the very, very bottom of the western hemisphere of the United States. Again, it's a big map. And I have to rip and tape it soon, or it's going to be torn to pieces. Okay. Scientists are studying how some kelps remove carbon dioxide from the ocean, offering a defense against acidification. So first off, these fish have went through ocean acidification. What's ocean acidification? Ocean acidification, according to the National Geographic research, more than a quarter of the carbon dioxide released by human activities ends up in the ocean, making the sea more acidic and reducing calcium carbonate, which oysters, clams, and others need to grow shells. Acidifying oceans also can disrupt the brains of fish, upsetting their ability to sense prey, elude predators, and locate their home territories. Here, you have the brain stem hearing disruption. The optic lobes makes the vision impaired, which makes them have a lack of awareness of danger, of course. And olfactory nerves, the sense of smell is diminished. Now, you're saying, well, what's in the Pacific Ocean? What's that got to do with us? Well, in particular, Pacific sardines come from the Pacific Ocean, as well as everything here is in the Pacific Ocean, by the way, but what's pertaining to us is, yes, pink salmon directly comes from the Pacific Ocean. These fish prey on petropods, tiny floating snails that are extremely vulnerable to ocean acidification. So We know that the pink salmon is consuming things that are in the Pacific Ocean that have been subjected to ocean acidification already. And then we in turn eat those things that have eaten the same ocean acidification. Albacore tuna is right over the pink salmon, also directly comes from the Pacific Ocean. There's a little tear there. I'm going to have to hurry up and make sure I take this map. And Chinook salmons as well. Humpbacks. Zooplanktons, commonly seen on such shows as SpongeBob, are small animals called zooplankton. They consume phytoplankton, and in some cases, larger ones eat smaller zooplanktons. They are eaten by fish, birds, and mammals. And again, these have already been subjected to ocean acidification. Now, the ocean open habitat, the pelagic zone, or open sea, is Earth's largest habitat, according to National Geographic. Home to small organisms such as krill, large fish such as swordfish and tuna, and seabirds such as albatrosses. Okay. Now, right under that you have the most important part of the map, and that toxic algae bloom. Some types of algae grow rapidly in warm water, producing blooms that contain domoic acid, a powerful neurotoxin. When consumed by zooplankton, shellfish, and fish, this toxin can sicken or kill birds and mammals. And this is not my research again. It's directly from National Geographic's scientists. Now, you say, well, what's the severity of all of this? Well, of course, that would mean that since 2016, any fisheries or places that have been pulling anything specifically from the Pacific Ocean knows that these particular fish have obviously been exposed to this. That's a problem, because why are the products still on our shelves? It's August 9th, 2023. It possibly might be after 12. I'm not exactly sure when I started the video, but good night and God bless America.